Come on, baby. Okay, I gotta wipe my hands off. I gotta put this thing on pause. Alright, I'm back again. This was on the phone, UPS driver was here, all that crazy stuff. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna I got stuff to move here. Let's see, let's just unhook this charger for now. Okay, what I did is I put my clutch packs together, and as I was talking to him, I didn't realize that I screwed that up. So, on recording. So, but anyway, so I just slid them in there. They slide in on the grooves here. You have to make sure when you put them in there, though, that these stops here that you see right here are behind the thing. Okay, because your band's going to go on there, and it looks like we are good, you know. Looks like to me that we're well behind it, I believe. So, I believe we're back all the way. Sometimes it's a bear to get them in there. Double check it here. I believe we are. Double checking it. Okay, now what we want to do is I've had this band soaking for a while. And got enough transmission fluid all over. I'm letting it drip off here, guys. Remember when I took the old one out, I told you it went in one way? Remember? Remember how this is? This goes behind the case. I'll show you in a minute. So what you want to do is squeeze this together a little bit. Turn it in a 1 to 2 o'clock position. And slide her in there. So you can kind of get it right. Did I go too far? Maybe I went down too far. Yeah, I did go down too far. Yeah, probably more like 1 o'clock position, I guess, if you want to call it that. Okay, there's that. Now, we want to turn it up here. What the heck is going on here now? Okay. 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 Put it in at the 1 o'clock position, got it into place in there, and you'll see that. And I turned it back to noon. Now I need to wash my hands off here. Oh, wait a minute. Let's get a better idea. Think about this. I'm going to rinse off a couple parts here quick at the parts washer. have my vinyl gloves back on. I'm not using them again. All right. Now, let's see what would be the best way to get you guys in here now. I think right now we should just turn this. Yeah, I'm trying to get you guys in here as best I can. Transmission's getting a little heavier too. Okay, let's bring you back over here. We can raise you. Okay, are we still recording or are we okay? All right, now, hopefully you can see this. Okay, here's we go now. Here's we go. Now, we got the band adjusting screw that goes through the hole over here. Well, I think I gotta go in and have dinner. I haven't had dinner yet today. Screw that through, get it started. Okay. And we got this piece here. There's no backwards way of putting this in. Okay. I hope, can you see this? I hope you can. And that rests up against this piece and rests up against the ball of that stud I just put in there. Okay. So then that would go like that. Okay. Then we got the band strut here. Okay. There's a couple different ways I could put this in. Let's just open that up for now. Why would that be like that? Oh, okay. The pin goes in. This goes in. This is called the kick down lever. You know. Why am I putting it in backwards? I knew better than that. Move it around until the rod goes through, just like that. And we'll apply that pressure to this, make sure this is seated onto there. We'll double check this. Okay, so there we go. See, there's notches in the center of this deal, and there's a little boss that sticks out in this groove here. See them, and then here too. And I just had to make sure that was into place. Okay. Then we'll just tighten this up a little bit. This adjuster that we can't see right now. Now, I'm going to bring in here just for a second. Now you can see why that band goes in one way. You see that, how Remember that, what I showed you before? You know? Remember right here? I don't know if you can see that. See, that's because that's relieved for the case here. Hopefully you can see that. So just remember that goes in one way. Alright. Now, what I want to do, you can't see that right now. I tell you, I need a small table so I can run around it, you know. Okay, let's see if I got the right one there. Nope. That's usual. There we go. What I'm doing is I'm turning in the adjuster here, so it kind of just holds everything here. Kind of seats it all, if you want to see that. You can see it's coming in there, maybe. Oh, no, jam not hurt. Shit. Double checking everything here. Is it too tight now? Oh. All right, perfect. Put the socket away so I know where it is next time. Okay, so there's that. So that's just, you know, now we got to put this little pipe plug in the front. So what we're going to do for now is we're going to turn this transmission back again. She's getting heavy. All right. I'm going to lower you guys. I'm going to have to lower you some more. Okay. And we need to plug this in. All right. Now this little pipe plug here, it's going to go in this little hole here. We're going to Put a little pipe tape on it. Okay, hang on. Alright, I'm back again. UPS guy was just here. Okay. What we're going to do is I'm going to put this pipe plug in. Oh, I feel like I'm in a hurry right now. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's going to conclude it for right now, because I got stuff to attend to here. So, please like and subscribe, and I'll be doing a video later on this afternoon about putting the pump in and putting the valve body together, and we'll finish it hopefully today. Thank you. Please like and subscribe, guys. Bye-bye.